In this video, you'll learn how to create a process draft in Adonis using the Process Drafter. Click on the Adonis Apps button to open the Process Drafter. To start, click on Draft New Process. Let's create a simple process: prepare and deliver pizza. Every process begins with a trigger, which is what starts the process. In our case, it starts when a pizza order is received. Now, let's add the main steps. These are the tasks that need to happen. Step 1. Verify order details. This is done by the cashier. Click on Add New Step and add as many steps as you'd like. At the end, we define the end results. This is what we want to achieve. In this case, the pizza has been delivered. Now, save the draft. You can click on Preview to see what your draft looks like as a process model. If you're happy with it, go ahead and submit your draft. Optionally, you can notify your colleagues about your new process draft. Adonis will now turn your draft into a proper process model. That's it. You've just created your first process draft with Adonis. Have a look at the Adonis online help for more information.